What's up, guys? Jared from Eagle Lights here. Today we're installing our Generation 1 Halo LED headlight and passing light kit. First thing you're going to want to do is grab your Phillips screwdriver and take off the outer beauty ring. Simply unscrew that screw and pop off the outer beauty ring. You're then going to have this inner retaining ring here held in with 3 screws. Unplug your stock headlight. Plug in your new LED headlight. Now we're going to reinstall our beauty ring. Now that we got our headlight installed, let's move on to the passing lights. We're going to remove this outer beauty ring here by unscrewing the Phillips head screwdriver below. There's a nut at the end. It helps to put your finger on the end to make sure it does not fall off. Go ahead and unplug the light. Grab our new passing light. We're going to take the inner retaining ring and place it onto the back of the passing light. Our Halo LED passing lights do not require any additional wiring. They are ready to go right out of the box. Plug the new passing light in and ensure the red wire on the harness is on the same side as the gray and black wire on the Harley. Position the light and make sure the DOT symbol is up on the top. Just reverse the step from the beginning and tighten the bottom screw to secure the light in place. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Unplug the removed passing light. Position the inner retaining ring around the keyway. All right, now that we have everything installed, all that we have to do is test and make sure everything works. It's our low beam, our high beam, and our passing lights.